Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $1.29 less. Automotive diesel is down 71 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is going down by 74 cents. 95 cents have been shaved off the price of kerosene. Propane will cost $1.32 less, and butane is down by $2.02. Retailers will, of course, add their respective markups to these prices. The government is moving full speed ahead with plans to divest state-owned assets. It's a part of a wider initiative to maximize the potential and lucrative property and equipment to enhance economic growth. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Some through divestments, others through public-private partnerships (PPP), but all must go. The government's arms outstretched to the private sector, a call for better supervision and management of Jamaica's underutilized assets. Prime Minister Andrew Holness admitted that state-owned assets are sometimes better utilized in the hands of the private sector. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Darrell Vaz, now announcing more PPPs to come on stream.
Assets that will provide good investment opportunities to the public include Wington Wind Farm, which will be listed by an initial public offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, and the sale of government-owned properties in Silver Sands Estates in Trelawney. The government will be renewing its efforts to dispose of the assets of the former Coffee Industry Board and will shortly be publicly launching the request for proposals. These are expected to be completed by the end of this financial year.
The last 3 PPPs were awarded to overseas investors, leaving locals to question whether the country is being sold out to foreigners. But Mr. Vaz says the data show the exact opposite.
Thus far, the view is mistakenly held that foreign entities are more aggressive in taking up investment opportunities developed by the government of Jamaica. However, despite that notion, the statistics are that approximately 70% of the transactions managed by the DBJ since 2009 have in fact been taken up by local investors.
Mr. Vaz stressed that the government is proceeding with some caution. He notes that efficiency will play a crucial role in the decision.
PPPs still present varying levels of fiscal liabilities for the government and should therefore be pursued where clear efficiencies are evident and the government receives maximum value for money.
As at March 2017, Jamaica's public-private partnership PPP program ranked 4th out of 19 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Jamaica is now number 6 on the World Bank's Index for Starting a Business. The rank was published in the 2019 Doing Business report. When it comes to getting credit, the island is among the top 20 countries. According to the report, the Starting a Business ranking was achieved because it takes only 2 procedures and 3 days for an entrepreneur to start up and formally operate a business. Comprehensive credit reporting systems were the highlight in the Getting Credit indicator. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar strengthened today as the US dollar continues to weaken. The greenback ended the day selling for $128.59. The Canadian dollar is going for $97.78. The pound is being sold for $163.34, while the euro is going for $147.31 on average. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December went down by $1.03 to settle at $65.31 a barrel. The JSE index advanced by 1,949 points today, while the junior market index gained 17 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, and Honeybun. Now on the losing side were Barita Investments, Elite Diagnostics, Epley, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Properties, Lasco Distributors, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Panjam Investment. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.